Gururaj, Vice President Sales and Marketing of Mecons Equipments. Mecons is a Ahmedabad-based company manufacturing construction-related equipments. We have specialized ourselves into manufacturing of concrete batching plants, pavers, wet mix plants, all related to the construction industries. We have almost about 2,500 installations all over the country, and we have a long list of clients. To name some of them, like Ramki, Nagarjuna Construction Company, Metas. And then there are a lot of clients along with them. So we have been in this market for the last 15 years, and we have been growing in a very fast pace and setting ourselves a big place in the construction sector. We are based from Ahmedabad. So we are in Ahmedabad, but we have got our offices all over the country. We have got our sales representatives, dealers working in all over the country. We have a pan-India presence, to be very precise. We have recently launched a very new product called self-loading transit mixers in collaboration with a company called Dumec from Italy. And that is one of the fast-moving product in India. And we have come out with and recently launched into the market. So apart from that, we are now trying to get into a business relation with many other organizations all over the world. We are getting into the tower sector. We are getting into the construction loader sectors. So we have got a lot of expansion plan in the next 5 years' time. Our company was started in 1993, so we are almost in this market for 2 decades. We have got joint ventures initially, but now we are manufacturing our own with our own design. We have a full-fledged design department and manufacturing on our own. Today, the main thing is time. So what our products are there, for example, there is a lot of infrastructure development in the country. So where there are road projects, dam projects, airports, wherever there is a new project coming up, you require concrete. And wherever concrete is there, Mecons is available there. So we give solutions for all concreting solutions. So we take the orders, manufacture and supply. We also look after the after sales, see the customer is satisfied till the end. See, it depends. It costs somewhere between 12 lakhs up to 1 crore rupees in various ranges of plants and equipments. Comex, we have participated for the first time. It's okay, not very much excited this time. Probably we're waiting for some customers today and tomorrow because we being weekend. You can log into our website www.mecons.co.in. Email ID is vp_sales@mecons.co.in.